Chapter 5.2 Creating Game Loop Using While Loop. 1. How to repeat with while loop.
How can I repeat the same process except with the for loop?
You can repeat the same process using while loop as well. The while loop is a control flow statement that allows you to continuously execute commands as long as a condition evaluates to true. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
This code repeats displaying the alien and adding the x-axis 8 times. Let's run this code. 8 aliens are drawn in a row at regular intervals.